Second, electronic section consists of 1. System board, which has the following function. 1. Head system control. 2. High voltage changing level control. 3. High voltage charging discharging timing control. 4. Cooling status checking, flow sensor and water level sensor. 5. Aiming beam control. 6. Handpiece spot size sensing. 7. Emergency sensing and error checking. 2. Gender board works as wire junction between system board and head system. 3. GUI monitor. 1. Display operation parameter. 2. Set up operation parameter via touch screen. 4. Junction board. 1. KTP temperature control. 2. Heat exchanger fan control. 3. Supplying AC power to water pump. 5. PFC board. 1. Receive 220 volt AC and supply to FET board. 2. Regulate to DC 15 volt. 3. Supply 15 to high voltage control board. 6. System SMPS board. Supply DC volt 12-15 volt to junction board. 7. FET board 1. Rectified AC volt and supply 385 volt DC to bridge board. 2. Receive PWM signal from high voltage control board. 3. Receive relay DR signal high voltage control board. 4. Supply IGBT temperature to high voltage control board. 5. Feedback charging voltage to high voltage control board. 8. High voltage control board. 1. Supply simmer on signal to simmer board. 2. Receive simmer OK signal from simmer board. 3. Supply charging signal to bridge board. 4. Supply discharging signal trigger board. 5. Communicate with system board. 6. Supply Q driver control signal to system board. 9. Simmer board. 1. Receive simmer on signal from high voltage control board. 2. Supply simmer OK signal to high voltage board. 3. Supply high voltage to flash lamp. 10. Trigger board. Supply discharging signal to SCR. 11. The SCR is used to supply charged voltage to contactor. 12. Contactor is used to supply charged voltage to out junction board. 13. PFN inductor supply charge voltage to SCR. 14. Out junction board supply charged voltage to flash lamp. 15. Bridge board supply charging voltage to high voltage capacitor. 16. High voltage capacitor supply charge voltage to PFN inductor. 17. Line filter. The line filter is for protection of electronic noise input.